All right, for my CAD class, we're going to take a look at the bracket from problem set 4. We'll go through and create all these in different tutorials. The bracket is in inches. I'm going to choose a start here on the top with a rectangle, another rectangle. There is a slot. From here, I'm going to set my dimensions. I have to keep in mind that this back thickness that I haven't created yet is 0.4. So from this back edge to this center is 0.4 plus 0.75. The distance from center to center on the slot is 0.56. From this center to this edge is 0.54. This is 1 inch wide, which then establishes my overall length. This sticks out the front 0.84. The overall width is 1 based on the radius. This is in the center at 0.5, and the width of the slot is 0.36. I can sketch a fillet. This is a tool that I'll admit I don't use too often myself, but we can actually sketch a fillet here. Either select the two lines or select the vertice. And now I'm going to set a radius of 1. So that one's complete. I can actually sketch this radius in as well between these two, and that is a radius of 0.2. So you can sketch fillets. Gives me a good chance to show you that. Push-pull, I'm only going to create a base thickness of 0.4 and then add on from there. Whether I add this upper section or this section out front honestly doesn't matter. I'm going to go right to my rectangle tool, snap a rectangle. The distance from the top edge is 0.8. I have an inner and outer diameter or radius. This one should already be set at 1 inch. Better make sure my rectangle is 1 inch. And then the inside drill diameter is 0.36. I do want to make sure that I join this and not create a new body when adding this material. I am joining. I'm going in the opposite direction, minus 0.4. There is the down section, now to the section that sticks up. Really the same construction process. Inside and outside diameter. Drill hole outside. I drew a circle, 1/2 inch radius is 1 inch diameter. The drill diameter on this one is 0.56, and the distance up from this edge is 0.6. Everything looks to be set. And this has a thickness of 0.4 as well. Again, making sure that we are using join, going in the opposite direction, minus 0.4. And there you have the bracket.